Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Funbot from Incredibox Sprunki.
So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So on the left hand side, let's start by drawing in a nice big oval for our left eye. Let's move over on the right now, lining that up at the exact same height, and we're just going to replicate that again. Now moving around our eye, on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then back in on the bottom. And then we're going to come over on the right hand side, leaving an even amount of space from the right eye, bringing this over, down, and then back in on the bottom. Now we're going to connect these lines together by just drawing in a straight line that comes all the way across towards the other side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to move out and replicate that, making that bigger. So coming up, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then back in. And then moving over on the right, replicating that out, down, and then back in on the bottom again. And now we're going to close this off with a straight line on the top. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. Now moving up above in the middle on the left, we're going to curve this line all the way over and then down on the right. Moving up on a diagonal on the top right, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're going to move over on the left, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. Now on both sides, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and as well on the right. And then moving back over, let's replicate that again. Let's close off the bottom of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then up on the right. For the mouth now, on the left, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the top now, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right hand side as well. Now coming down on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then now from here, let's draw in a curved line from left to right. Moving further in, we're going to draw in another diagonal line on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right again. One last time, moving in further, we're going to draw an even bigger diagonal line that comes all the way down towards the bottom on both sides. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line.
And that is it. That's how you draw Funbot from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.